Can you get punitive damages if you're seriously injured by a drunk driver in Virginia? Hi, I'm Richard Aufenger. I'm a trial attorney with the law firm of Kalfus and Nachman. You need to know your rights if you have been injured by a drunk driver. A person injured by a drunk driver is entitled to, or may be entitled to, compensatory damages and punitive damages. Compensatory damages we see in everyday automobile cases where drunk driving is not involved. Compensatory damages include pain, suffering, inconvenience, the actual injury itself, lost wages. Punitive damages, on the other hand, are there to punish this drunk driver. Also, it lets the jury send a message to the community that this community will not stand for this type of behavior. Under Virginia law, punitive damages can be awarded against a drunk driver up to $350,000. Now, what type of circumstances are there that allow you to get punitive damages against a drunk driver? Not every drunk driving case is a punitive damage case. If the blood alcohol content, the BAC, of a drunk driver at the time of the crash is a 0.15 or greater, then it's likely punitive damages will be considered by a jury. Also, in a situation where a drunk driver unreasonably refuses to take a blood or breath test, that in itself can give rise to punitive damages. When a drunk driver causes serious injury, the value of a personal injury case is significantly improved. It goes up dramatically when you include both the punitive damage aspect of a case and the compensatory aspect of the case. I handled one case in Portsmouth Circuit Court where the defendant was an illegal alien, and he was so drunk he crossed the double yellow line and hit my client head on, causing her serious injuries. Now, the jury awarded compensatory damages in the amount of $30,000. And to show you how powerful the message that the jury sent to the community that this behavior will not be tolerated, the jury awarded an additional $100,000 for punitive damages. Why am I telling you this? It's because I have information that can help you if you've been involved in a drunk driving case. Thank you for watching. My name is Richard Aufenger. I'm an attorney with Kalfus and Nachman. My telephone number is 1-800-HURTLINE.